Well, welcome aboard and welcome to LINNENMAKI for today's theme park stroke amusement park trip. And for this particular one, you're going to be seeing different videos, some daytime, some dusk and some nighttime videos. So please be aware there may be flashing lights during the video. So I'm starting this one down at this particular ride, which is a moon dance apparently by Technical Park. Yep, never ever done one of these, so that will be put right very shortly. It's been here a few hours, got a few other clips of the rides. €53 to get in. The park's open from 1 until 10 o'clock. You've got the observation tower in the background there. Kingy, I think it's Intamin, usually are them sort of things, drop tower. So you're going to get some suspense, very much like the one at Liseberg. You are okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm talking Liseberg. Yeah, we've got one of these things here. This one's swingy. The gyro swing. Yeah. That one's for you, Mark, that one's for you, Jamie. I'm sure you would be on it if you were here. Here we are then, standout attraction at LINNENMAKI. It's this one, Tiger, just about to go into the second launch. Whoa. Yeah, typical Intamin double launch coaster, it's really good. Where does it come in the top 10? If indeed it is in the top 10, I'm not sure. The top 10's getting stronger and stronger by the week. I really don't know, but it's a real fun coaster, some good whippy elements on there, a couple of really good inversions as well, and typical with the Intamin trains, really nice. Yeah, really good coaster that one, final inversion, and then it goes into the brakes. Well, we've just been on this one, the polyp ride here, which means squid in English. Yeah, that's probably the best polyp I've done actually. Get flung around. You're actually holding on for dear life. Got a little bit of a POV on there, quick on ride. But yeah, good ride that one. Well, here we go then. The polyp ride. This one. Yeah, love it. Awesome. Oh, getting thrown around. Oh, yeah. Get yourself down here. Get on these rides at LINNENMAKI. There she goes. Woo. So I think we're definitely going to send this one to the steward's room. It is a flat ride, which you could actually class as a coaster credit. Very similar to the Zamperla Zooms, which you see one of them, of course, at Flamingo Land. Pilot, this one, Technical Park. They've got the little cars. It's exactly the same. It's a different manufacturer. You reckon it should be a coaster credit?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's got the lift hill. It's got the track. It's just like an invert. Channel, check that one out, Coasters and Countries. Let's get a little bit in here, getting my arm chopped to. Oh, big time! reckon to that? Yeah, this particular coaster, better than expected, certainly. As you can see, Kernu, this one, the intermittent sack spin, first one that I've done. Yeah, really enjoyed it, and then you get that little cheeky 360 at the end. Yeah, very enjoyable roller coaster, that one. Much better than the rollerball thing. Certainly thought this was a lot better than the one over at Park 1 in Madrid. Oh, excuse me, Parque de Attractions Madrid. It is Youcut, the Mararide Skyloop. So opposed to that one, this one is actually a loop. There's no real layout to it. And then you get the little shuttle bit now that it's going through. Yeah, I'm still not a keen fan of them restraints on there. But as I said, I just felt more secure on that one than I did on the one in Madrid. Radio, that's LINNENMAKI, folks. Been a good day, enjoyed it. Enjoyed getting you some day shots, some dust shots, and now some night shots. Good park. If you're ever in Finland, get yourselves down here. Regarding the on-ride filming, it is a bit sort of limited to what you can film on. Just email the park. They do let you to do POVs on some of the coasters, some of the rides. And what I'll do is sign off. Thanks for watching, and I'll say ta-ra for now for this one. I'll catch you very soon. Get the shot tower going up.